Hello everyone, thank you for watching this video how to download free map for your Volkswagen car. So what we have to do is to go to that website, which is appconnect.volkswagen.com, and I will copy and paste into the description so you can find it. Now I recommend to find what model of your car do you have. So we will come down here, you can see all Volkswagens are here. So for example, I'll go here, this is my car, this is just Discover Pro. Now you will see the maps here, select the region to update your navigation system, Europe, World, Taiwan or Japan. So I will go for Europe, but I am not downloading it like that. What I'm gonna do is I will click on this Discover Careful Map, and this is the best way because this software will look after all your downloads. Once, if you want to download manually, then you will need to put it on your SD card. It's gonna take, it might not be your card, your SD card. If it's not genuine Volkswagen, it won't be formatted, so you would have to format. So if you download this Discover Careful Map, then it will do everything for you. Also option to download for Windows if you have Windows. Okay, so here we go, I got that downloaded, double click on it. So iMac owners will see this coming up, so you just click on DMG file, that will open. All you need to do is just drag this in there. I'll replace because I already downloaded one. Okay, so you just close this. You can close this as well because it's still installing it. I think it's here already installed. So double click. Discover cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. In that case, you need to click on your system preferences, go click on security and privacy, and look for it. It should be showing here, and here it is. Discover Care was blocked from use because it is not from an identified developer, so you open anyway. So once you click there, you can close this and that, and click on it again. Here it is, open. This message you'll get just once, and from now on it will always open. So it's automatically looking for the new updated maps. As I said, my SD card is not VW genuine, so I click on update for system without Volkswagen SD card, and this is my Discover Pro. You choose yours, choose model of your car, which is Passat, as you already all my subscribers know, and it's 2015, so, and continue. So this is a new map, 2022 ECE full update. All you need to do is put this SD card into your computer. As I just did mine, it will appear, and you just click continue. Once you click continue, already I named my card as VW update, as you can see, so it picks it up, and you press continue. Then it's installation media. So once you start, that will be downloading the new maps, and it takes sometimes up to 2 to 3 hours, sometimes longer, but once it's there, then you can eject your card, SD card, and switch your radio on in your car, put it in. Your sat-nav will recognize it automatically because this software will format it, so it will be recognized and your map will be updated. And then you can check on your settings on your sat-nav whether your new maps are 2022 under the settings and version of the map, and they will show you it's gonna be 2022. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe so you can see more helpful videos how to fix or look after your car cheaply and easily without going to the garage or spend any money or big money. Thank you. Bye.